Hey y'all, today we got something a little different other than car parts. We got a Cha-Cha the Cheetah lantern that Mr. Randy R. from Columbia, Tennessee ordered. So Mr. Randy, we're gonna get this off to you. And there's our main YouTube channel, Dixie Customs. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it. Check that out if you don't mind. We'll get this wrapped up and sent to you so you can give it to your youngin'. You never know what's going to be coming up. We got more than just car parts on the eBay store. So check it out. Might be something you just can't live without. I'm going to wrap out paper around it because with the heat we're having here, there's no telling what liable to discolor it, so it's going to be inside of a freight truck. Got some bubble wrap around it. So Mr. Randy, we do appreciate your order. If you wouldn't mind checking out the YouTube channel, that'd help us out. We'll get this underway to you. We can get it all stuck in there. And there's your sticker. We're going to stick it in the box with it. So we'll get this mailed off to you in the morning. Since you're up here with us in Tennessee, it shouldn't take long to get to you. Probably take me long to get tape put on it when we get the package to you. But anyway, like I said, we appreciate your order. And we appreciate if you check out the channel. So there you go, Mr. Randy. We'll get it sent off to you tomorrow. Thanks for your business. Catch you on the next one.